Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 VW Scirocco. So from any screen, you've got phone over there and you've got settings here. If you click onto settings, select telephone or Bluetooth, click Bluetooth, and then down here, well, you've got Bluetooth visibility, visible, name, paired devices. We want paired devices, and you see there Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, music, the telephone, and then there's a bin there. We click the bin. Do you really want to delete Barry's iPhone 12 Pro? Yes, delete. That's it.